Once the products are in the app, we can now bring the box to life. Let's look at how to create a scenario on the home page. Select one of the coming home, leaving home, solar protection or privacy scenarios to configure. In this case, let's create a solar protection scenario. You may look at your app during the day and see that it's hot and sunny back home and wish to close certain blinds. To configure, press the pencil symbol in the centre, then on the pencil symbol, on the solar protection icon. A list of your products will appear. Select the product you wish to be activated and specify whether this scenario will activate an up, down or my movement. Repeat for all the blinds you wish to include in a scenario. Now the solar protection icon will run this scenario. Press the icon to test. The other 3 scenarios can be set in the same way. On the next screen is our ambient settings. This gives you 4 further scenarios you can program. In addition, they can be named as you wish, and even use a photo of the room to fully customise your settings, set as we did earlier. The third screen is our timer mode. You can create up to 8 different timed events. We will create 2 examples to show you how to make morning opening and evening closing commands. To create a timed command, click on the pencil icon. Click Add. Enter the time you want your blinds to open in the morning, for example 8 o'clock. Select the days of the week this is to happen. When they go orange, they are active. Select the blinds to include. Once selected, a screen for that product pops open, and you need to select whether this is an up, down or my command, as long as my is already programmed within the handset. The my command can be used here to fully open the slats of a Venetian or zebra blind for daytime use, rather than a fully up position. When all the blinds have been selected and set, name your timed event and press OK. A list of all your timed events will be shown. To create another event, in our case blinds down in the evening, press the Add button. But this time we shall use a closing time linked to sunset that will change during the year to adjust for the lengthening or shortening of daylight hours. The settings automatically calculates the sunrise and sunset times throughout the year based on your location. Use the sliders to adjust the time, plus or minus, before or after. The timer can be turned on or off using the slider button on the main timer screen, or individually activated or deactivated using the orange activation box next to each named event. To delete an event, use the bin icon. To edit, use the pencil. Other features on the app include the question mark on the right-hand side of our screen gives guidance notes to the settings on that screen. As mentioned previously, a weather report from the home location is shown on the top of the screen, showing the temperature and a weather icon. The following information and settings can be found under the menu bar in the top left corner. At the top is an icon showing the status of the box. Green @ sign for connected, while a red cross shows no internet connection. Dashboard. A record of recent events and which user has been active. Also a schedule of events in the future. Messages. Find information and updates and new functions. Settings. Show the coordinates of the box and govern sunrise and sunset times. Also access to turn on or off other features. My account. Details of the account registered to the box. Configuration. This is where we go to add our products. Help. This section should be completed by the installer to give their contact information to support the customer with technical advice. Also shown is a link to the email at Somfy Technical. Legal information, all the T's and C's, etc. Finally, disconnection.